Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 cordless oscillating tool. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Devon 20V Cordless Oscillating Multi Tools. Specifications. Brand name, Devon. Model number, 5951. Usage, renovation team. Oscillation frequency, 20,000 T/min. Degree, 4 degree. Batteries required, yes. Speed, 20,000 T/min. Certification, CE. Item number 4 is DeWalt Oscillating Tool. Specifications. Brand name, DeWalt. Model number, DCS355. Usage, renovation team. Batteries included, no. Oscillation frequency, 0-20,000 OPM. Degree, 1.6. Batteries required, yes. No load speed, 10500-20,000 RPM. Certification, CE. As the item number 3 we've selected, brushless cordless oscillating multi-tool. Specifications. Brand name, Wber. Model number, LB205. Usage, renovation team. Batteries included, yes. Speed, 10500-20,000 R/min. Degree, 6 degree. Motor, brushless. Item number 2 is Bosch GOP 185 Li Cordless Oscillating Multi Tools. Specifications. Brand name, Bosch. Degree, 3.4 degree. Batteries required, yes. Speed, 10,000-20,000 OPM. Model number, GOP 185 Li. Speed gear, 6 speed. Voltage, 18V. Weight without battery, 1.2 kilograms. Usage, home DIY. Batteries included, no. Certification, CE, FCC. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Cordless Oscillating Multi. Specifications. Brand name, Wber. Oscillation frequency, 6,000-20,000 PM. Maximum output power, 600 W. Vibration level, 6 level. Oscillating angle, 4 degrees. Voltage, 18-20 V. Maximum output power, 600 W. Batteries required, yes. Certification, CE.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.